Hello heroes! A sunny day is the best time for getting the most out of your camera, but it can cause several issues such as glare from reflected surfaces. What can be wrong? Sky color, reflections on water, glass, snow, trees, etc. For those who want to move their skill set forwards, a polarized filter has the potential to turn unusable footage into professional standard videos. Want to know what pros use to make lips overwhelmed? Watch further. So now, I would like to show how can a polarized filter fix that issues mentioned below. First of all, what's polarizer filter for? The main aim of the filter is to prevent glare and reflections from the glossy surfaces, such as water, snow, glass, stones, etc. Therefore, it helps to remove annoying glare from your photo and videos. It affects as sunglasses for your camera. All you need is to choose the right angle. The maximum polarization effect takes place at an angle of 90 degrees from the sun. This means that if the sun is at the top, you will get equally lit sky if you are shooting at an angle of 90 degrees from the sun. I've got the Telecine CPL filter. The Amazon link is in video description. Let's check it out. I made this photo using Hero 5 without any additional equipment. As you can see, there is a light reflection on water. If you don't want to get a photo like that, you have better adjust a CPL filter. Any light reflection was removed. Moreover, all colors are more natural. Obviously, I will delete this photo if I didn't use a CPL filter. Let's compare the photo again. That's exact example how CPL filter works. It removes light reflection on water surfaces. Do you like that result? Leave a response in comments. Go ahead. It rained, so I captured annoying light reflection. I didn't expect that behavior, but if I used a CPL filter, I will receive another photo. As you can see, there is no light reflection. Let's compare two photos again. If you consider the main purpose of a CPL filter, that's the clear explanation. It prevents light issues during sunny day. This is the next photo, where reflections can impact an image. You can see it on some part of image. By utilizing a CPL filter, you can fix that issue. So now it looks much better. Let's compare it again. It's easy to see the difference. This filter has a very noticeable effect on an image created with it. This is another photo, made without a CPL filter. You can see the reflections on the roof and grass. We adjust a CPL filter and now you can see the benefits of this tool. There's no question what's better. By utilizing this Telecine CPL filter, you can reach your best shoots despite the very hot day. In summary, let's count when you have to use it. At first, if you want to cut through water and glass and see the detail behind it. If you want to get deeply saturated colors. If you would like to remove light reflections because it annoys you. Finally, it protects your lens from impact and the other elements. But there are several cases where I felt that using a polarizer actually made for a worse image. Like for example, light reflection sometimes has blue, red or other color, and you have better not to use filter to keep that impact. During capturing waterfall, you can realize that rocks have super wet look. If you decide to keep that for a better image, not to use the polarizer. When the sun has gone down and started to get dark, there is little point in using a polarizer. A polarizer is going to reduce the amount of light and force you to use a longer shutter speed or higher ISO setting. That's not a good idea to use it during night shooting. If you consider that reflection on water make an image better, obviously you might not to use a filter. Like for example, if you want to shoot a rainbow, you might know that if you adjust a polarizer, the rainbow effect will disappear in your photo. You can decide what elements should keep, what elements should remove. It's easy to carry this filter and mount it on your GoPro camera fast. Please feel free to share your experience, your expectations, your advices in using polarized filters in comments. CPL filters are not too expensive. I use Telecine CPL filter for about $10. The results speak for themselves. All links are in video description. That's all heroes. If the video is useful, please leave a like. We have just reached 1000 subscribers. I thank everyone for support. I'd appreciate if you subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. See you soon.